Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Paladins stuck on loading screen and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one, you just have to increase the virtual dram, which is the first method. So to do this you just have to go over here on the Windows icon and you have to go over here and you have to go for View, Advanced System. Open this. From here you just have to go over here under advanced, go for settings. From here you just have to go for advanced once again and go for change. And as you can see, it is on the C, but we have to change this to custom size. And as you can see, there are asking two questions: initial size, maximum size. So you have to give the size 4096 for both. 4096. Now go for OK and you have to check, and most probably this will be fixing the issue. But if it's not working with this, we have few more solutions which you have to try out. So next one is all about update your drivers, which is very important. So you just have to go over here and right click, go over here on device manager. From here you just have to navigate to display and adapters and right click and go for update driver. Go for search automatically and make sure that you are on the latest version of the drivers. Close this up, then you just have to go for next one. Next one is all about make sure that no big things are running in the background. You just have to right click and go to task manager, and if anything is running in the background, for example, like if you have anything opened up right now, as you can see mine, it is only screen recording right now, but usually it comes Google Chrome, sometimes any other games, and even some cases can drain out the performance. You just have to end the task, which is unnecessary. You have to end the task also. And also make sure the last and the least one is you just have to go over here, go for settings. You just have to go for settings. Now from here Windows update, and make sure that you have to update your Windows and make sure it is on the latest version, which is very important. So or else you will be having the trouble. So these are basic stuff which you have to try out when your Warframe stuck on loaded screen and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.